If I tell you leaves are jealous, overprotective, and absolutely only want to take care of themselves, you would tell me I am making things up. I'm going to show you why math is being effectively used by leaves in nature to protect themselves, to make sure that I'm actually standing next to a tree. I want to show you this, to protect themselves, and because they want to protect their personal space. I want to show you this particular leaf here. You'll notice that this structure here has got alternating leaves. So you'll see that these leaves are alternating, the one next to each other. They are not next to each other because these leaves, when a new leaf pops up, the existing leaf basically says like, I don't want you to be growing next to me because I don't get enough sunlight. According to this tree, I think this looks like a maple tree. This maple tree leaf basically says that I really don't want to have anybody near me as my neighbor. I want to be a saint. Leave me alone. So these leaves are basically growing in an alternating fashion. They don't grow next to each other. I'm going to show you one more leaf actually on another plant that I'm walking towards, and you're going to see that this is actually this plant here that I'm talking about. I'm going to show you this plant here. You will notice that these leaves are close to each other. Where is that? Yeah. Oh, these are alternating leaves. I just saw a plant with leaves that are right next to each other. Oh, this is not the plant. This is also alternating leaves. As you can see, this leaf and this leaf and these leaves, they're all alternating with each other. I'm going to show you another a set of leaves that are, oh, here you go. So if you can see these leaves here, they're basically saying, hey, I'm going to play nice. I'm actually going to not be pretending that these are two leaves together. They're okay with having a neighbor. They actually have two leaves together and they fork from the same place. And so essentially what it means is that nature is using math to make sure that growth can happen depending on the variety of plants. Enjoy.